welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to present you my first rubber boots that I've gotten from Louis Vuitton, and it's this beautiful pair out here. I will just show it to you, and I hope that you can see the monogram on the boot. It is just everywhere, on the front and on the sides and also on the back. So yeah, this is the beautiful rubber boots, guys. I've got them in size 37, and this is also my only size and my perfect size for these shoes. I also think that every Louis Vuitton shoe that I've owned is in size 37, so this is my size. The shoes fitting is pretty good, so it's not too short or too long, so it's really for your size that you also know that you have. I've got them in black. I don't actually know if they've got also other colors, but I think this is the only colors. And I paid 610 euros for them. The model's name is the Drops boots, so I think that's quite a pretty name for this pretty boots model. And yeah, guys, I fell in love the minute that I saw them. And that in Berlin it's very rainy those days, and it will be like this until middle of March, so this is like typical Berlin. So I've never got some rubber boots. I've always had these typical leather boots from Zara or also from other brands that were a little bit more expensive, and this year I opted for those beautiful Louis Vuitton rubber boots because I really wish to have some rubber boots for the autumn and the winter and also for the early spring season. And for me those boots were the perfect decision, guys. The first thing is the length of the boot. So as you can see, this boot is not too short. So you have of course boots that are just this short, and I don't really like those because it makes me look shorter than I am. So also they are boots that are also higher, and I think that those boots are also pretty, but I found that this heath here is so nice and so elegant. I even wear them to going to my workplace, or also when I go to a chic restaurant, I can wear them so well because they are a little bit shiny. So this gives the shoe a little bit more of elegancy, and you can also combine them with almost everything. So I usually wear them with my black winter leggings now, but you can also wear it with your jeans. If it's blue or gray or black, you can always wear those. And also you can combine it with almost every color because it is black, so black fits with everything. So yeah, guys, I fell in love with them, and I hope that you can see it a little bit better. The monogram, if I show it to you a little bit nearer. I will also show you the sole. So the sole, guys, is a little bit more higher than at usual shoes. So I'm really in love with this because it gives you so much comfort, and it is very stable. So every time I am walking in those shoes, and I'm walking in them a lot, I feel very comfortable, and I can walk with them so long, and my feet doesn't hurt. So this is a really good shoe, guys. I can just recommend it to you. Also, as you can see, the sole, so as I told you, I already wear this shoe, so I think you can see it a little bit on the sole. But yeah, here you can see this beautiful Louis Vuitton logo, and here on the bottom you can see my size, which is the 37. And yeah, the shoe was made in Italy, which is written up here, and also the whole sole is made out of Louis Vuitton monograms, and the typical logo you can see here, the beautiful petals. So yeah, guys, this is also why I love this shoe, because of its comfort. So yeah, guys, this was my first pair of rubber boots. I can just recommend it to every girl because these are a beautiful eye catcher that you can always wear. I hope you liked my rubber boots too, so if you like them, please like my video, comment them, and subscribe to my channel.